Brian O'Bannon of Morton Buildings, and this is another edition of Morton Moments, and I want to take this moment to talk to you about our new classic equine line of sliding doors. As you can see here, we're at a farm where we have a livestock situation, but if you've got horses or you just need a robust, heavy-duty sliding door, ladies and gentlemen, this is definitely what you're looking for. Take a look at this. This is all powder coated here. As far as the paint system goes, these trims and crossbuck pieces are welded in 14 gauge heavy duty metal. You've got about a 2x5 almost looking 1/8 inch rectangular tubing frame, again all welded together, very robust. In this example, you've got what we would call like a little blockout piece that goes in back there to give it the color, but down here we actually put the treated lumber. That's what the client wanted in this situation. Nice robust little handle here, and watch this. You just take this and push it. Look at that thing slide. This is a pretty heavy duty door, I'm going to tell you that, and it's heavy itself in weight, but yet this thing is very easy to manipulate and roll around. So I'm telling you, if you're looking for the best, if you're looking for heavy duty, if you're looking for something like this, it's exclusively available here at Morton Buildings. Make sure you like, subscribe, rumble, rumble, rumble. Come back for more, because I'm always going to have more for you.